Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Ampleswap. Full disclosure, this is a sponsored video. Ampleswap did reach out to me and ask for this promotional video, so let's get that straight out of the way. Now, I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is strictly my opinion on the markets, and you should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, Ampleswap is a Binance Smart Chain DEX. It was launched back in October of 2021. We're going to go through their Twitter. We're going to check the Binance Smart Chain scan. We're going to go through their website and their Twitter. Now, looking at the tokenomics, and right now we are on CoinGecko. So the current price is sitting at $0.001058 dollars. As you can see, this is the 24-hour trading range, and if we go into the max supply, we can see that we have 1 billion tokens, and the total supply is 209 million tokens. Now, the fully diluted market cap over here is sitting at $1 billion, and that is because not all the coins are out in the circulation. Now, if we scroll down over here, you are going to see the markets that the token is tradable on. We do have it on PancakeSwap V2, and we do have it on the Ampleswap DEX as well. Now, let's jump into their website. So, as you can see, the total supply over here of the tokens, if I imagine in circulation, these are the burned tokens. They do burn tokens. The market cap currently is sitting at $98,000, 567, if I got that right. And let's check out their tokenomics real quick. So where did we get the tokenomics here? I do apologize. There we go. So jumping into the Ample tokenomics. So they do have 1 billion tokens total, and the 10% of that will be used for partnership with ecological construction, including marketing, promotional activities, liquidity management, and FB staking allowance unlocked linearly in 50 months. So then we have 10% will be used for development unlocked linearly in 14 months, and 80% will be allocated to Ample community members. 66% of that can be earned by Yield Farm, and 34% of that can be earned by the Syrup Pool. Here are the emission rates, and it is a deflationary token because at the moment the Ample token is burned in the following ways: 0.05% of every trade made on Ampleswap. So they will add more burning mechanisms in the future once the project is more has that longevity and gets more updates. Then they will add more burning mechanisms. Now, jumping into their roadmap, let's check out what they have on their roadmap. So they don't have exact dates for these milestones, but they do show which milestones they have completed and which milestones are ahead of us. So they have gone through the swap any BEEP20 tokens, basically Binance Smart Chain tokens, liquidity, add tokens to liquidity pool, and receive liquidity pool's tokens. Farms, stake LP tokens, earn free Ample, and pool, stake Ample to earn free tokens. And they do have a lottery here as well. So the NFT ecosystem is something that they're working on, an NFT marketplace. They do have a gaming section that they will start launching different games, and they're working on multi-chain, so Ampleswap on other blockchains. So they want to be a cross-chain platform. This is regarding their roadmap. So if you want to contact them, they will have some details over here. I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description. Make sure to go through all of this. Now let's go into their potential farms and pools that you can invest in. So if we go to farms over here, you can see that you can stake your Ample against the USDT, and the APR here is 163%. As this is a fairly new project, the APYs are going to be high. As you can see, the liquidity is $16,000, and you have different pools over here where you can stake different coins and earn different other coins. Basically, you have USDT BNB pool over here, BUSD BNB pool, and the percentages are quite high in my opinion. So this is a good opportunity to take advantage of, but obviously do this with caution. I wouldn't recommend investing a lot of money in early projects, but that's just me. Obviously, you do what you do with your money, but like I said, this is a great opportunity to make some passive income with these APYs. Now, this was the farms. Let's go to the pools here. Now, the pools are the most lucrative out of all because you can stake the Ample token at 355% APR, which is incredible. Let's say, let's go into the calculator. Let's say you put in $200 into the Ample token, and let's say in 30 days you will make $67. So from $200 per month, you're going to be making $67, and this is at the current price of the Ample token, and this is compounding. Let's say you held for a year, that will make you $6,660. So not too bad in my opinion, but like I said, always approach these things with caution, and that is the manual Ample stake. That's the first pool that they have over here. Also, they do allow you to stake Ample and earn other tokens as well, and that's regarding all the pools here. Now, if we go to lottery over here, so I haven't checked this out yet. So basically, yeah. So basically, this is not an IDO platform, but this does allow you to earn some prize pots over here. Basically, you need to buy tickets, and yeah, I got it. So match the winning number in the same order to share prizes. Current prizes up for grabs. Basically, yeah, they do have tokens up for grabs that you can then stake, basically. So check out the lottery here as well. Now, that is pretty much it based on the website. Let's jump into their Twitter. So they do have 52.5 thousand followers, which is great. The more followers projects have on Twitter, the more activity from them it shows. So basically, they do have an active Twitter account. They do post over here, and as you can see, pretty active. So it's not a dead Twitter account. So make sure to follow all the projects that you want to invest in on Twitter. Now let's jump into the explorers here. So jumping into the Binance Smart Chain Scan. So you can see that the total supply at the moment is 250 million tokens. There are 7,000 holders and only 85 almost 1,000 transfers. Now this shows that this project is fairly new, obviously, and getting into these projects when they're low, that is the smartest thing to do, obviously, but it's up to you. You have to do your own research and understand whether you like this project or not. Now, going through some of the wallets over here, as you can see, all of these are wallets that have the tokens locked for the staking rewards and such. But if you go through the wallets below over here, and you can see that it is fairly decentralized because there aren't a lot of wallets that hold a large percentage of the circulating supply here. There's this 2.6%, but that is not a lot in my opinion. So that is pretty much it regarding this project, guys. I will definitely be looking at this project more, and I will be potentially entering one of their pools over here, and I will potentially be staking my Ample tokens, and we'll see how the project does in the future. But yeah, all the links are going to be in the description. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I'm going to make sure to answer every single one of those, and feel free to follow me on Twitter. We do post technical analysis in there, and we do have a Telegram chat and a Discord server as well. Those are great communities for you guys in case you have any questions, you need any help, or you need useful resources. The Discord is perfect for that. And feel free to check out our Patreon. We do have a Patreon. It's a great way to support me and a great way for me to give back to those who support me. So I'm going to make sure your investment in me pays off. We do have low cap gem calls in there, project reviews, market sentiment analysis, low cap gem calls, buy and sell alerts, and a lot more stuff is in there. So feel free to check that out. All the links are going to be in the description. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.